Hello guys, this is Min from You Want Promo. You Want Promo, do the promotional gifts you want. Today I'd like to introduce how to customize lanyard. Step 1. Choose the lanyard style. Normally there are 4 styles lanyard. You need decide if you just need a simple leg lanyard like style A, or you need add a safety lock at the leg part or the set part like style B, or you need add a detachable buckle in the middle of the lanyard like style C. And yes, you also can have the detachable buckle and the safety lock like style D. Step 2. Choose the lanyard material and width. We have more than 10 options for the lanyard material: polyester, nylon, cotton, recycled PET, bamboo, corn fiber, reflective, etc. Today I will introduce the most popular lanyard material, polyester and nylon. Polyester lanyard has flat polyester lanyard. Normally we use it for screen printing, and tube polyester lanyard, screen printing, and satin finish polyester lanyard. Normally we use it to do sublimation printing, and also can do the woven logo. The nylon lanyard, it looks similar as the polyester lanyard, but it is also easy to identify the nylon lanyard and polyester lanyard. Nylon lanyard is shiny material. The polyester lanyard like matte finish. Step 3. Choose the lanyard width. The most popular size is 1 cm, 1.2 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm, 2.5 cm. We also can do 3.5 cm, 5 cm, or custom width. Step 4. Choose the logo style. The logo can be screen printing logo, sublimation printing, woven logo, glowing deck, woven label, tube woven, foam printing, PVC printing, even silicone printing logo. The most popular logo is screen printing, sublimation printing, and woven logo. Screen printing is also called silk printing. It is print on the surface of the lanyard. When you touch it, you can feel it. The sublimation printing is the printing heat transfer into the fabric. When you touch it, you cannot feel it. For the woven logo, it is weaving the logo inside the material. Step 5. Choose the lanyard accessories. Step 6. Share the logo with us. We will make free mock-up. We have more than 20 lanyard colors in stock for your selection to support us to do rush order service like 24 hours. Step 7. Confirm the packing. This is the whole process of how to customize lanyard. Follow us to know more information about custom lanyard and other promotional products. Thank you.